Welcome, Super Civics teacher. This is a demonstration of the Super Civics Toolbox. It's called a toolbox because it's full of powerful tools to support Super Civics K-8 instruction. These resources can fill a gap in your curriculum, can supplement lessons you already teach, and can give you direction in your instruction. These tools are robust, teacher-friendly, complete, effective, and student-centered. These tools have been curated for you by a team of social studies educators with over 200 years of combined experience. The Super Civics project is created by the Learning, Law, and Democracy Foundation and partially funded by the Minnesota State Legislature through the Department of Education and the Clean Water, Land, and Legacy Amendment. In this video, you will learn how to navigate the toolbox document with several search techniques, about teacher and student resources and lessons stored in the toolbox, and how to take the next step with the Super Civics community. First, you'll need to make your way to the toolbox document. It can be accessed from the teachingcivics.org website or through the case-sensitive quick link bit.ly/S C toolbox. Once here, you'll notice this Google Doc is laid out like a book. There is a cover, copyright page, table of contents, chapters representing each grade level, an appendix containing additional resources, and an index. There are hyperlinks throughout this document that will help you navigate the toolbox quickly and efficiently. There are three main parts to this book: the grade level chapters, the appendix of additional tools, and the index, which will help you navigate by topic. Let's begin with the grade level chapters. Click on the hyperlink for the grade you'd like to view. We'll take a look at kindergarten. You'll notice each chapter is laid out in a table and is organized by benchmarks from the Minnesota Academic Standards for Social Studies. Each citizenship and government benchmark has its own section, which includes knowledge and concepts, skills and actions, essential questions, resources to support the benchmark, and links to full lessons. Notice there is a column for I can statements that has been intentionally left blank for your input. I can statements are most effective when created by a teacher for their group of students. The resources column here contains supplemental materials. Finally, there is the lessons column. Hyperlinks to the lessons will open in a new window. Here is an example of a Super Civics lesson. If you ever need to return to the table of contents, each page has a quick link at the bottom. Let's take a look at another grade level chapter. Here's a lesson about children's rights. Some lessons are developed by the Super Civics team, and some, like this one, are developed externally. Some lessons and resources may apply to more than one benchmark. Now let's go back to the table of contents and look at the other two sections of the book. The appendix is a collection of multi-purpose tools that are not specific to any grade level and could be incorporated into an existing lesson. They are organized into 3 categories: tools for instruction and teaching pedagogy, such as Turn and Talk, Socratic Seminar, Inquiry; civics skills and content resources, like Mini Mock Trial and Respectful Conversations; and visual and audio resources. Finally, let's take a look at the index. The index is another way to navigate the toolbox. The index is arranged alphabetically by topic and will refer you to the grade level benchmarks that pertain to that topic. Select the standard you wish to view. Let's review what you've learned. Remember that the Super Civics Toolbox is structured like a book. Use the table of contents or index to quickly find what you're looking for. There are several strategies for navigating the toolbox. Search by grade level using the table of contents. By benchmark, benchmarks are listed in numerical order. By topic using the index, choose the standard for the grade level you wish to view. And through quick navigation, you can easily return to the table of contents through the link at the end of each grade level section. Lastly, these resources and lessons are based on the Minnesota Civics Citizenship and Government benchmarks to supplement or fill curriculum gaps. If you want to learn more about how to use these resources and lessons, we offer professional learning opportunities to improve civics teaching and learning. More information can be found on teachingcivics.org. For questions, contact info@teachingcivics.org, and you can stay in touch by following us on Twitter @teachingcivics, capital M. Thanks for watching. You're already on your way to becoming a Super Civics hero.